But then again, naisip ko, 20 years is 20 years. And halawin naman agad siya. To put it in perspective, that's equivalent to 3 presidents already. Or 4 na generations sa high school. In fact, some of you are actually kids ng mga classmate ko na and batchmate. Ako pa akong akin. So, I guess, unfortunately, I don't have all the answers for all the questions that I have when I was a 16-year-old kid. But then again, siguro may masashare man ako sa indong perspective na napag-adalan ko since nag-graduate ako ng high school. So let me share to you some 3 of my favorite insights na naadalan ko. The first one is, life move on in seasons. Today is a classic example of changing of seasons. Tapos na sa season na nag-aadal kita sa laog ng classroom. Starting today, the world is our classroom. Dumang kita maadal. Pero there is a big difference. Kung nasa elementary kita, nasa high school. Every time na nag-aadal kita ki lesson, we do it together. We do it together din kapag nag-exam, hanggang ngunyan, sabay-sabay kitang nagtapos. But starting today, we will have our own schedule. We will have our own timeline. There will be a season for us to explore, a season for us to accumulate wealth, and a time for us to build our own families. Pagtatandaan ninyo, we will all have our own pace. So wala sa ating nahuhuli, wala sa ating nauuna. So that's our ano. But then again, ang pinaka-importante dyan is, each and everyone here is very excited na marating natin yung season wherein we will become all leaders in our own field of industry. Maybe it can be in the field of healthcare, education, or public service. The second insight that I would like to share is that alignment is more important than perfection. 20 years ago, ang alam ko lang is, para maging successful ka, everything has to be perfect. Kaya baga may grading system kita, ang goal ta permi makakuha ni 100% na score. Or kung daiman, 99, 98, pag 80 plus, mamundo na kita. Diba? But pag abot ta sa real life situation, bako na yun about getting the perfection. It's all about alignment. Alignment to the kind of person that you want to be. So, alignment to your core values and to kung ano man ang gusto mong mangyari. Because minsan, dahil gusto ta maging perfect, takot na kitang mag-explore. Takot na kitang magkamali. So don't be afraid to commit mistakes. Have the courage to try something new. Because tandaan nyo, sabi nga sa team natin, competence. Competence is not static. You may be competitive right now, but tomorrow baka lain na. Remember mga cameraman, ngunyan daog na sila, may mga drone na, di ba? So we need to continuously improve ourselves. So let us strive for alignment instead of perfection. And the last insight that I would like to share is that I would like you to stop chasing your dreams, but rather start living your dream. And there's a big difference with that. When you chase your dream, iniisip nindo, dai pa nangyayari ang pangarap nindo. Pero pag sinabing dong, I am living in my dream, nagtutubod ka mo na ang sa indong pangarap nangyari na in the future. Would you like to be a Supreme Court judge? Then, you do your part right now, di ba? You start living with full integrity. Kung gusto niyo maging Secretary of Education, you start by doing it right now. By pagpapahalagan ta ang education. Or if you want to be a successful businessman, di ka dapat naglalamaw. Dapat kami kang atab nagmamata. So, we should start living our dream and we don't procrastinate. We start doing it, we just need to show up. Kaya magayon ang satuyang tema mo niyan that Filipino graduates are ready to take the lead. Not just with competence, but with character. Competence that we learn from our school can bring us somewhere, but it is our character that will lead us or will define your success in the future. So, I hope that 20 years from now, magkikita-kita ulit tayo and we see each other with your best version of yourself. So to the class of 2026, congratulations, your journey is just beginning. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Thank you.